Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and pairing because many volume issues are just connection or battery problems. Replace batteries with fresh cells and reseat them, then press and hold home for about 10 seconds to repair. While you do that, make sure the Fire TV and TV are powered and on the correct HDMI input. Once done, check the remote LED and any on-screen pairing prompt. If pairing fails, restart the Firestick and TV to clear transient faults before deeper fixes. Once paired, you configure how volume is sent so the remote knows where to control sound. Go to Settings, then Controllers and Bluetooth devices, choose your remote, and set volume controls to TV or receiver. This maps the button signals. Make sure HDMI-CC is enabled on both the TV and Firestick, because HDMI-CC lets the remote talk to the TV or AVR. If your receiver or TV lacks HDMI-CC, change the remote to IR mode in the same menu. To finish, relearn or reset only if configuration didn't work, because relearning maps IR codes directly to your TV or AVR. Use settings to relearn volume commands and follow prompts for power and volume keys. This fixes mismatched IR codes. If that fails, try a remote reset or factory reset of the Firestick as a last resort. Pair again afterward. Make sure to test with the Fire TV app or a spare remote. If hardware still fails, the remote likely needs replacement or support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.